DIY natural building, construct sustainable shelters from earth shorts. Learn how to create eco-friendly, sustainable shelters using natural materials like earth, straw, and wood. Discover tips for building your own natural home, from cob to straw bale. Disclaimer: remember, always consult with experts before starting any building project, and ensure that your designs comply with local building codes. Safety first. Imagine waking up in a home built from the earth beneath your feet, surrounded by the beauty of nature, and knowing that your shelter is as eco-friendly as it is comfortable. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's a dream that can become reality with DIY natural building. Whether you're looking for a way to reduce your carbon footprint or just love the idea of living close to nature, natural building is the perfect solution. Today, we'll dive into the basics of cob building, straw bale homes, and more, sharing practical tips to get you started. Tip number 1, cob building basics. First up, let's talk about cob, an ancient building material made from clay, sand, and straw. It's incredibly durable, insulating, and sustainable. The best part? It's easy to work with. You don't need any fancy tools, just your hands, and a little creativity. When you make cob, you're literally sculpting your house from the earth itself. Tip number 2, straw bale homes. Next, let's look at straw bale homes. Straw is not only a natural material but also an excellent insulator. It helps keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. By using straw bales, you can create thick, energy-efficient walls that can last for decades. Plus, straw is a renewable resource, making it an eco-friendly option that's affordable too. Tip number 3, wood and earth fusion. Finally, let's talk about combining wood with earth. This fusion of materials offers the best of both worlds, the sturdiness of wood and the natural insulating properties of earth. Using wood as a framework for your natural building project provides structural integrity while allowing you to incorporate earth-based techniques for insulation and protection. Now that you have these tips, it's time to roll up your sleeves and start building your dream natural shelter.